Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix banned application not working. Banned application might not work when there are bugs or when there needs to be improvement on performance on banned application. To fix your banned application not working, you can first check whether your application is updated or not. For that, open your Play Store if you are using Android. If you are using Apple, then open your App Store. With this, go to your search bar and type in banned, then tap on search icon. Now tap on banned app for all groups. Now, if you have update on your application, then you'll be able to find update option on the place of open. Tap on update so that you'll be able to update your application and then you'll be able to fix all the bugs and improve the performance. After you update your banned application, make sure you open your banned application and look whether the error has been gone or not. If this process is not working, then you need to clear the data of your banned application, as storage of unwanted amounts of data on your banned application may create this problem. To do that, open your settings on your mobile phone, then look for apps option. Now know that the settings on mobile phone differ according to the mobile phone that you are using. I am using Android Redmi. Now tap on app setting, then here tap on manage apps option. With this, now look for your banned application and tap on banned. Now here you can see clear data option on down. Tap on clear data option, then tap on clear all data. With this, now tap on OK option. With this, all the data related to your application and all the cache data will be deleted permanently. With this, you'll be able to fix your banned application not working. This is how we can fix banned application not working. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.